Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're just going to take a quick look on the Rog Strix Z690-A gaming Wi-Fi with DDR4 memory. I'm just going to unbox the motherboard. So here we have the motherboard. It's a clean looking, like white and silver looking design. It's looking really awesome. It's been a long time since I had a motherboard like this, instead of just black all the time. If we first take a look on the left side of the motherboard, it's clearly a Strix logo, and this part gonna be light up with RGB. It looks really cool. And here we have the 4 pins with DDR4 support, the 24-pin header. We have a front Type C, and we have a front header 3.0. And how many SATA ports do we have? We have like 6 SATA ports. And we have the support for 4 M.2 drives. They're gonna be like PCI Gen 4. And the main thing about this motherboard is actually this one. It's a PCI Gen 5 slot, but it's only this one. This one is Gen 4 and this is Gen 4. So no M.2 Gen 5 support, sadly. It will probably first be in the next gen Intel CPUs. If we then look on the VRM, it has a 16.1 phases VRM. So 1 phase for the iGPU and 16 for the CPU. Well, is there anything else we should look at? Probably the RGB headers, because I love RGB. We have 2 in the bottom and we have 2 in the top. So we have plenty with RGB headers. And I think we should have around, how many fan headers do we have? We have 3, 5 and around 6, yeah, around 6 fan headers. That's pretty nice actually, pretty decent. And let's take a look at the power design. How many do we have here? Okay, so we actually have 2 8 pins for the CPU. That is plenty for the 12900K. That is good. What about the I/O? The I/O we have, well, how many we have? 8 USB ports. We have 2 Type Cs. We have a 2.5 GB LAN, a Wi-Fi 6, audio in and out. We have a reset button. We have a BIOS flex pad, and we have a HDMI and DisplayPort for output. And is coming with the including bracket I/O shield. And the last thing is actually this feature. This feature every motherboard you have, because graphics cards are so big now these days that you cannot even release this PCI slot when you have graphics cards and a big cooler. So they actually made a button for it. Look, why didn't we get this like 5 years ago? This is so brilliant, and everyone should do this. Every single manufacturer, do this right now, I beg you. This is so good for the people like us who are tearing PCs apart all the time or changing graphic card. It's a life-saving feature. I really love it. Keep it. Well, this was just a quick unboxing and a quick tour. I'm not gonna look what's in the box. It doesn't really excite me. So, but anyway, thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for the next video so you don't miss anything, because we're gonna do a hell lot of 12th gen overclocking and comparing against the Ryzen 9 5900X. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.